Alrighty, folks, welcome to the first episode of the Onboard Highlights, or whatever you want to call it. My name is Jerry Soho, as you all know, probably not. Jaden Soho is in the booth, or at least getting ready to start the broadcast. We're in qualifying right now. I better do this intro quickly. Yeah, so hopefully, I'm not sure what channel this is going to be on. If you're on J Soho or Soho Cars, make sure you subscribe either way, because please, I actually. Anyways, let's try qualifying. I'm not a good qualifier, so let's just let her rip. Let's go. All right. Today we're, of course, be driving the beautiful, the wonderful, the number 7 S7 Motorsports Chevorlet. Look at this thing, rank! And yeah, of course, at Nashville. So we're just gonna try to go as fast as possible. Shut up! And hopefully we get a good spot. Very easy on the throttle, not a good exit on dough.
Give me one more good hard.
Alright, one more, baby, one more. Come on, turn. Just stop turning right there. Or you stick it, dude. Alright, let's see where that put us.
If I'm not 16th! Gentlemen, start your engines!
Alright. For this first segment, we shouldn't really be in danger of overheating, but it will, probably get up to about 220, so just keep an eye on that.
Can you shut up, chat? I mean, that. Chat. Alright, we're starting P16, not the worst starting spot, but we are on the outside, so it's going to be an uphill battle even from the start. Alright, if you haven't heard on the broadcast, alright, I'm just going to, fuck.
Green.
I'll just explain it later when it comes up. Hopefully you heard on the broadcast. Got done in front of us. Oh boy, don't wreck done. That's the last thing you want to do.
Still there.
He's a short temper. He has a short temper. Oh, they're sideways in front of us. Oh shit.
All clear. Inside.
The brothers
Still there,
fucking
inside.
raco.
Still there, inside. Still there.
Woo! Just a tap, just a tap.
Still there, still there.
Racing alongside the Dines.
Still there,
Rob
inside.
the Scallion
All clear.
Dines. Oh boy. I don't know why they call him the Scallion. I don't even know what the fuck that means, but we're clear low. Oh shit. Looking in my mirror. Oh shit. I don't know who that is behind me, but it's yellow. Oh, Ryan.
Inside.
But at least we're right where we want to be on the
Still
bottom.
there.
Now that's Cyril out in front, way out in front. He's really good at this racetrack,
Still there.
unlike me, who am not very good. Well, I'm pretty good, I like to think, but that qualifying effort didn't do me any favors in convincing you that. But Cyril is doing a lot of convincing. Shit. Let's see if we can go catch him. But first we got to pass everybody, including our
Clear high.
teammate. Had a moment there.
Outside.
I need to
Still
shut up.
outside. All clear.
All clear, baby. We got Dunn behind us. We got Quinley, Nicholas Quinley, is right in front of us, and our teammate Ryan Ramirez. Hi, Ryan. Gotta say hi to Ryan every time we see him. Hi, Ryan. Oh fuck! Shit, I did not realize I was spinning there.
All clear.
All right, we lost. All right, we got a lock in here. Come on, guys. Stop distracting me. Come on, Rob. Come on, Bob.
Still
That's not your
outside.
name. Sorry. I'm sorry. Can you hear my breathing? I'm breathing hard. I'm a race car driver. Race car drivers breathe hard.
Still there.
I'm gonna race harder. Hell yeah.
All clear.
All right, all clear, baby. We passed Ryan.
Still outside.
Kinda, not really. Okay, fuck.
Still
Ryan, go away.
outside. All clear.
Thank you, Ryan. All right, we got the brothers race. So, even though they're not brothers, they look like brothers. They're driving like similar cars. They almost killed each other earlier. I don't know. Maybe I was just seeing things. I got a blank. Cyril has just fucked off. He's just fuck. Whoop. Boop, 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 boop. We're good. We're good. We're fucking good. Just a tap, just to let him know we're there. All right. Just want to rattle his cage open. Don't want to spit him. Just rattle his cage open. You know what I'm saying? Robin Hale. Oh shit! The Robin Hale stock on the top. Let's see if we can freight train him. There's a slow, not really slow, but it's kind of just holding up everybody. The 21. I'm sorry. It's true. It's just true. If you can't pass a car that's stuck on the outside, then you can't pass. Oh yeah, he's real slow.
There.
Yeah. Should we throw a 3? Oh shit!
Inside.
Had a moment there. We're stuck on the
Still
outside.
there.
God damn it. Fucking Jose.
Still there. Clear low, buddy. Inside.
Fuck.
Still there.
Ah, shit. Ah, fuck.
Still there.
Come
Inside.
on.
Inside.
You're slow. Let me go.
Clear low, buddy. You can see those boys up there. Get up there level.
I'm there. Fuck you. I'm blocking like it's Minecraft. Alright, let's try to pass Zuzzy. Goddamn European names. What kind of name is Zuzzy? Just kidding, I'm sorry. That's a family name. I'm sorry.
Outside.
Don't tell him I said that, by the way. Don't tell him I said that. Kind of almost spitting the car out on the exit, but just to get better turn.
Still
Oh,
outside.
hi Jared.
Still
Jared had a
outside.
moment there. We're gonna take it. We're gonna take advantage. That's right,
All
Jared. I'm
clear.
taking advantage of
Outside.
you. I'm just kidding, Jared. I'm just
Still
joking. I'm just joking.
outside.
Don't. Let's try to go to the inside of Hey Ray. Hey Ray. Again.
Great job, buddy. Just past halfway.
Just past halfway. We're doing good. I have no idea what position we're in. No cautions happened yet. So much for that caution rule on the
Still
short tracks.
outside.
Hopefully some good racing
Still
throughout
outside.
the pack. If not, then
Clear
fuck.
Outside.
Ray.
Still outside.
Right.
All clear.
All clear, baby. Let's catch up to our other S7 Motorsports teammate, the number 72, Danielle Rosales. And look, SRI is up here too. Soho Racing Incorporated. That's Swift, and the big donut later. Racing with whoever that is. I think that is the 5 or the 6. Who knows? They're both yellow, and they both have the same sponsor. I think that is a 6 because I don't see a black roof. Anyways, let's stop thinking about paint schemes. Let's try to catch the 72. Yeah, Cyril has just checked out. Not very good thing for the racing and entertainment wise, but good for him, I guess. But I don't even know where the fuck he came from. Cyril just appeared like, hey, can I join your racing league? And I'm like, sure, you got a race car? You got a NASCAR stock car? Former old NASCAR stock car? And he's like, yeah.
All clear.
Alright, hold on, I gotta shut up because I gotta pass my teammate. I'm sorry.
Still outside.
He's really good on the short. Oh, fuck. We're good. He's really good on the short tracks. I'll tell you, I'll give it to her. Better than Ryan. Try to send it a breeze. And there you go. Sorry, Danielle, I had to
Still
do it.
outside. Still outside. Clear
She's
high.
still holding her own, though. Goddamn.
Outside. Still there.
Hopefully next season, or maybe
All
down.
clear.
Oh boy, oh boy. It's a shame she's the only woman who signed up. But hopefully there's more that join the league, the series. Just can't get past them. Let's try to follow
Still
Swift.
there.
Donut's kind of just holding us up
Still
here,
there.
being big.
20 more. Just be
20
careful,
more.
Be smart, bud.
Okay.
Still outside.
Come on. Try to get
Still outside.
two for. Try to get it alongside Swift. Come on, Dwift.
Still
Oh my
outside.
god. Oh my god, I almost
Nice. Put
wrecked
it on
it.
the entry
I know,
button.
I know.
Don't
Shut up,
slide your
shut up,
tires.
shut up, Thad.
Still outside.
There we go.
Still
There
outside.
we go. Had a mistake. Gotta take advantage.
Still outside.
I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I haven't blinked in like 10 laps. Fucking donut.
Outside.
Big back. Okay.
Still outside. Still outside. Clear high. Great job, buddy. I anticipate. Great job.
Hey, boy.
Still outside. All clear. Inside.
Okay.
3 wide. 2 of them inside. Inside. Still there.
What the fuck happened there?
All
I don't-
clear.
What happened? What the fuck? Did Donut's door slam me? I think Donut's Donut's door slam me. Fucking bastard. Either that or I ran into him. I kind of don't know. It's kind of a blur.
Outside.
I gotta pass these guys again. Damn it!
Still outside.
Come here, Donut. I can smell you. Disgusting boy.
Side. Clear high.
Thank you, Donut. Alright, clean air here. I think this is our final position. We're gonna try to chase down. I don't think we have enough time, let alone speed. Oh fuck, what am I doing? Come on, lock in, lock in.
5 to go. Just
5 to
keep
go,
hitting
come on.
those marks and trying to take care
Come
of it.
on, man, come on. Alright, white flag,
There you
baby.
go with the line. Stand.
Or two to go for us. Looks like Cyril's not that far behind us. If it is Cyril in the lead. Trying to look in the mirror, but yeah. Anyway, all right, white flag this time.
One more time, buddy. One more time. Straight, smooth.
Talk about a master class, Cyril. If that is whoever's in the lead, that is Cyril in the lead. If we're getting the checkered flag, oh my god, or the white flag that early, that's insane. All right, checkered flag, P3, and Nashville. Woo, what a
Checkered,
race!
buddy.
That was some good racing. No cautions. Just a good
Awesome
hold,
job, my friend. Awesome.
a hard racing.
Buddy, good job.
Oh, I'm gonna take a cool lap. All right. That was a good race. Congratulations to the number fucking. Yep, it was Cyril. Good old Cyril putting on a master class and taking the green flag and not
Pit road
looking.
speed, 35,
looking-
2,500 seconds.
Shut the fuck up. Looking back. Yeah, that was a pretty good race. Good hard, good old short track racing. If you enjoyed this video, whatever channel it's on, I'm still not sure whether it's on J Soho or Soho in Cars. If it's either way, you should just subscribe. So yeah, and we'll see you at Daytona, and hopefully you enjoyed either these highlights or the broadcast itself. Let me know if I should continue this or just give up. And we'll see you at Daytona. Heck. Oh, I'm sweaty. Damn, 12 seconds on the field. Holy shit. He fucking lapped all the way up to 14th. Damn, Cyril. Oh my God.